Oh, he's gonna get you. You better run, Anna. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Oh, she's fast. Oh, but Ethan's... He's gonna tickle you. You're such a good big brother. Oh, look at that hug. That's a nice one. You gonna show her how fast you can go up the stairs when you crawl? I turned it on. Anna, you can go up too. You see better? Hey, little lady. Then go up.
Now.
You're up there now, aren't you? You want to slide down on your belly? It is on, bud. Turn around, Miss Anna. Yes, Miss Anna. All right. Hey, you got my hand. Look at your new hairdo.